Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kelly and I do cute claws. And so today I am working on my lovely little daughter's feet and her cute little feet. And I'm going to do a natural looking pedicure today. And I'm going to be using Gellen gel polish. So getting right into it here, I am just going to, start by clipping down her nails. Then I'm going to go in with a file and just smooth out all of the edges. Then I'm going to go with a buffing block to just buff the tops of the nail just to remove the shine, to give the gel polish something to hang on to. Then I'm going to push back the cuticle with a cuticle pusher. I'm going to buff it one more time just to get rid of any of that dead excess skin. And then I'm going to use the nippers, the cuticle nippers, just to kind of get any of the dead skin off that's kind of hanging around. So I'm going to let you guys watch and I'll be back in a little bit. So now I'm just coming in with an alcohol wipe here just to wipe all of her toes real quick to get all of the dust from filing off. And I went ahead and worked on her other foot off camera, so I'll bring that one in here in a second and do the same thing. And then we're gonna get into the polish. So I do show the different polishes that I'm gonna be using, so I'll let you watch and I'll come back in just a little bit. So I had bought a kit of Gellen polishes from Amazon. It came with 18 polishes total, so 16 colors, and then it came with a base and a top coat. So I am using color 21 from the set that I got, and I will link that down in the description. And I'm just going to go in with the base coat first and put that on all of her toenails, on the one foot, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds while I work on the other foot. Then I'm going to come in with the first coat of the color, and I do 2 coats of color just to make sure that it is not too sheer. Sometimes you need at least 2 coats of many of the gel polishes, I find, because otherwise you can kind of see through it and see the nail underneath. So 2 coats in this case, and then I'm gonna go over that after I've cured each layer with the top coat, and then I cure that, and then we're gonna be done with all of the polish. So I'm gonna let you watch. All right, so here is the finished look. I really am liking this natural color on her toes. I think it goes with her skin tone really well, and it's excellent for summertime. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.